Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a warm tone video using filter on CapCut. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to add two filters. But first, add your clips to CapCut and go to the filters feature. Click on the live tab and then find the umber filter. Okay, this one's right here. Click on that. You can adjust it if you want. I'm going to go with 90 and then add another filter here. Go to the mono category and select the warlock. Okay, you can also adjust it if you want, and after that just click on a check icon, and now you are done with that warm coloring. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.